Good day, ma'am. My name is J. Sergio M. Marquez from BSIT 3A, and the subject from Information and Assurance Security. So our discussion for today is 4 topics about IP and web security. So our first topic is IP security architecture. So what is IP security architecture? IP security architecture is a framework designed to protect internet communications by securing IP packets through encryption and authentication. It ensures data confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity, preventing threats like eavesdropping and tampering. The architecture employs protocols such as AH, authentication header, and ESP, encapsulating security payload, to safeguard network transmissions. A key feature of this architecture is its ability to create secure tunnels commonly used in VPNs, enabling private communication over public networks. It relies on security associations (SAS) and key management system to establish and maintain secure connections between devices. And there's two importance of IP security architecture, which is the secure communication and IP security architecture that ensures authenticated and encrypted data transmission over networks. So there are another 4 importance of IP security architecture works, which is the VPNs, encryption, authentication, and integrity. And this one example scenario on how IP security architecture works. Just for an example, a company with branch offices in different locations needs a secure way to transmit sensitive data over the internet. Instead of using expensive lease lines, they implement an IPsec VPN or virtual private network in tunnel mode. So our second topic is IPsec protocol. IPsec protocol is a suite of security protocols that authenticate and encrypt IP packets to secure communications over untrusted networks. It operates at the network layer, providing data confidentiality, integrity, and authentication. And here are the 4 importance of IPsec protocol, which is the authentication header, key exchange, encrypted payloads, and security associations. And there is one example scenario on how IPsec protocol works. Just for example, a bank needs to securely link its branch offices to the central server over the public internet. Our third topic is web scenarios considerations. Web security considerations refers to the strategies, protocols, and best practices implemented to protect websites, web applications, and online services from cyber threats. These measures ensure data confidentiality, integrity, and availability while preventing unauthorized access, breaches, or malicious attacks. The key aspects of web security considerations are the encryption, input sanitization, authentication, and patch management. So how it works? Just for example, the data privacy laws such as GDPR and CCPA mandate strict regulations on how companies handle and store personal data. Cybersecurity helps ensure compliance by safeguarding sensitive information and avoiding costly fines due to data breaches. So our last topic is authentication protocols. Authentication protocols are cryptographic systems that verify the identity of users, devices, or services before granting access to a network or a resource. They ensure only authorized parties can interact with protected systems. And the key aspects of authentication protocols is to identify proofing, secure key exchange, mitigate attacks, and session protection. One example scenarios of authentication protocols is, just for example, an employee logs into their company email on a Windows PC connected to an Active Directory domain. And the four importance of authentication protocols is to prevent unauthorized access, protect data integrity, enable accountability, and support secure workflows. And that's all for today, and thanks for your attention. My name is J. Sergio Marquez from BSIT 3A, and the subject of Information and Assurance Security.